Maximizing small spaces. Designing a compact sunroom. Choose appropriately scaled, multifunctional furniture to save space and enhance functionality. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted shelves, tall bookcases, and hanging plants. Opt for light, neutral colors and reflective surfaces to make the room feel larger and brighter. Incorporate decor that serves dual purposes, such as decorative storage bins. Install built-in furniture and storage solutions to maximize every inch of space. Embrace a minimalist design approach to avoid clutter and create a calming environment. Maximize natural light with sheer window treatments and strategic mirror placement. Create defined zones within the sunroom using rugs or furniture arrangements. Add compact plants or vertical gardens to bring freshness without taking up floor space. Thoughtful planning and design choices can make even the smallest sunroom feel spacious and inviting.